The People's Democratic Party and its candidate, Dr. Asua Igodalo, today fielded 4 more witnesses from Isan Northeast, Oredo, Isan Central, and Isan Southeast local government areas, who testified before the Edo State Election Petition Tribunal about what transpired during the September 21st, 2024 governorship election. The 4 witnesses in their written and oral statement alleged overvoting, manipulation of results, and election irregularities. The reports.
Yes. Okay. Thank you very much.
At the resumption of proceedings on Thursday, counsel for the petitioners, Adetuji Oyeyipo, continued with the presentation of witnesses. The first witness of the day, 54-year-old man, Matthias Igberase from Esa Northeast local government area, said he served as local government collation agent for the People's Democratic Party in the September 21 governorship election. He told the tribunal that he signed his witness statement on oath on the 11th of October 2024, and the statement was shown to him, which he identified and adopted as his evidence in the matter. Counsel to the petitioners, Adetuji Oyeyipo SAN, tendered the witness document before the tribunal that include exhibits BCD 40 to BCD 48, which is the certified true copies of INEC result sheets from 9 polling units, certified true copies of INEC voters register, exhibit PJA1, certified true copies of BVAS accreditation reports, EDA 12 of IREV material. Thereafter, Oyeyipo SAN asked the witness to go through and also present his party's collation agent card before the tribunal. Counsel for the respondents, Kanu Agabi SAN, Onyechi Piazu SAN, and Emmanuel Okala SAN, who are counsel to INEC, Senator Mode Kwewelo, and APC, respectively objected to the admissibility of the documents. Under cross-examination, counsel to INEC, Kanu Agabi SAN asked the witness Matthias Igberase if he was the same person as Enabo said George. The counsel noted that the name submitted to INEC as the collation officer for the local government is Enabo said George and not Matthias Igberase. The witness said he was substituted for Enabo said George, as Enabo said George was supposed to be the collation officer but was unable to fulfill his duties due to illness, and his party had appointed him as replacement as a collation agent. Then Kanu Agabi SAN asked if the witness can present evidence to show he was the substitute. The witness said no, that there was no handwritten evidence. Kanu Agabi SAN thereafter asked the witness if he examines from EC8A result sheets of the polling units of his local government areas and observed that the polling unit result sheets were signed by his party polling units and ward agents. The witness said yes, that the EC8A polling units and ward result sheets were signed by his party polling units and ward agents. Kanu Agabi SAN thereafter asked that the witness in his statement said that there were overvoting in 9 polling units and asked if his party agents in the polling unit signed on the result sheets after the election or if they protested against the results. The witness then answered that his polling unit agent signed and did not protest against the result sheets. On his part, Onyechi Piazu SAN, counsel to Senator Mode Kwewelo, asked the secretary of the tribunal to show the witness page 16 of his statement, where the witness said the result of Unit 11 was cancelled and there was overvoting in Unit 11 Ward 6. The witness then looked at his statement, and Ikpeazu SAN asked if the polling unit agents in that center signed the result sheet of the center, and said that in INEC Anua, if there is a cancellation of results in a polling unit, the presiding officer have to make statements to inform the party's agent at the polling unit, but stated that there was no such at the polling unit where he alleged there were cancellation of results. Emmanuel Okala SAN on his part said in the witness statement, he said that there was manipulation of results after the cancellation in polling unit 11 Ward 6, as if the witness ward agents in Ward 6 signed the result sheet, and if he knows how results are uploaded in IREF at the collation center and knows how to handle, open or download results into IREF's machine. The witness said no, that he has no knowledge how the BVAS machines are handled and how results are uploaded in IREF, but alleged that the results were manipulated following the manual result sheets given to him by his party agent in the polling units. The second witness for the date, Aigbedo Igodaro from Oedo local government area, in his statement on the 11th of October 2024, informed the court that there is a typographical errors in some pages of his statement, which are paragraphs 27, where he said the figures ought to be 27 polling units and not 8 polling units, and 53 polling units and not 61 as stated in the document. He prayed the tribunal to allow him correct it orally, and the tribunal granted, although respondent counsel objected to the amendment. In his statement, the witness relied on his party agent's certified true copies, 45 pieces of agent copies of EC8A, and certified true copies of IREF forms EC8, Beavers extracts in paragraphs 26, 28 and 29. He alleged collation of incorrect scores, non-recording of results in 27 polling units, overvoting in 66 polling units. Under cross-examination, counsel for the first respondent, INEC Kanu Agabi SAN, asked the witness if the document in tender was made by him. The witness said yes. Kanu Agabi said from his examination, he saw that the result sheets were signed by the PDP polling unit agents. The witness answered and said no, that some were not signed by his polling unit agents where they observed irregularities. Thereafter, Kanu Agabi SAN said the witness in his document relied on the Beavers accreditation reports and asked the witness if he was availed the Beavers machine as he claimed they were overvoting in 66 polling units. The witness said no, but from the reports from his polling unit agents, there was overvoting and recording of incorrect scores. Onyechi Ikpeazu, counsel to Senator Monday Okpebholo, asked the witness, according to his report, that there was inflation and reduction of scores of political parties, and asked the witness if the INEC, the electoral umpire, deliberately inflated APC scores and deflated PDP scores. The witness answered and said he did not say so. Emmanuel Okala SAN, on his part, asked the witness that he mentioned in his statement that there was overvoting and manipulation of results, asked if he handled or uploaded documents in the Beavers machines. The witness said no, not his job to handle the Beavers machines, but through the manual result sheets given to him by his party agent, he claimed they were overvoting. The third witness, who served as collation agent Adekule Obo from Esan Central Local Government Area, age 57, tendered certified true copies of EC8A from 23 polling units, where he testified about irregularities, alleging that there were no prior recordings of serial numbers of sensitive materials deployed to some polling units in the area in Form EC25B. He said Form EC8A result sheets were countersigned by INEC presiding officers and that his deposition was based on documents obtained from INEC by his party. The counsel to the respondents Kanu Agabi SAN, Onyechi Ikpeazu SAN, and Emmanuel Okala SAN objected to the admissibility of the document and said they will give their reasons for their objection in the final address stage. The fourth witness, Wisin Ibawa from Esan Southeast, alleged irregularities in 5 polling units and no prior recordings of serial numbers of sensitive materials used in the election in Form EC25B. Respondents' counsel also objected. Meanwhile, Justice Wilfred Kpochi, chairman of the tribunal, provisionally admitted the documents of the witness into evidence. The PDP has now presented a total of 10 witnesses as at Thursday in the ongoing petition filed by the party and its candidate, Dr. Aswen Ighodalo, challenging the outcome of Edo governorship election. Best Orator reporting for BTV News.
That report on the tribunal from Best Orator the sitting was at Thursday and not today.